Yeah, hello guys, I'm Sunil. Today we'll speak about inner classes, okay? The types of inner classes and their applications and everything in detail, okay? Guys, any idea what is inner class? Jay Shri, Sumant, Gnapika, any idea what is inner class? By the name itself, you can say
defining it as insect.
yes, definitely. Yeah. So this concept is introduced in Java 1.1 version. Okay. So if you when this thing will come, right? See, suppose there is no there is no existence of outer inner class. And ఇప్పుడు suppose if you take a college, okay, you any university, right? So without university object, there is no there is no branch object, right? There is no department object, right? I mean to say, without the university, there is no department, right? So if you go to restaurant, right? Without restaurant, there is no menu. Am I correct?
Yes.
So based on these real-time use cases, we go for you know we go for inner classes, okay? And we'll walk example, and yeah, then you will get some idea, okay? Okay. So here, based on the purpose and the position, based on the purpose and position of inner classes are divided into four types. Inner class, okay, they are divided into four types. We'll see what is everything, okay, divided into four types. Normal or regular inner class. Second one, method local inner class, okay. And third one, anonymous inner class. Okay. And the fourth one, static nested class. Guys, is that clear so far? Yes, is that clear?
Yes.
Let me open Eclipse. Eclipse. Where is my Eclipse? Jeshi, are you following or sleeping?
Yeah, I'm looking.
Okay. Okay. It's not downloaded. Huh? This laptop does not contain Eclipse. Just a minute. Just a minute, please download. Yeah. Just, will open quickly and in the meanwhile, I'll try to define, the structure of nested inner class. Okay. So this is the structure, guys. Okay. So class outer. Okay. Inside that we have class inner. Like that. Okay. This is the basic structure of inner class. Okay. Guys, is that clear?
Yes.
I think we'll go with online compiler. Okay, for today. Okay. Na? Guys, let us assume this main class is nothing but outer class. Okay. So here you can write the inner class. Okay, like that. Okay. Class inner. Okay. Okay, like this case. Okay. So if you run the code, see it is not an any issue, right? See, guys, it's is it fine, guys? Right? Guys, are you following?
Yes, sir.
See, it is not creating any issue, right? If you declare any, any even if you declare inner class inside the outer class, okay, it is not creating any impact. Am I correct? Connection. This guy has stuck in the class. Yeah, fine. Yeah. So this is the first point, guys. Okay. Let me paste this code over the notepad. Guys, are you following so far? So this is normal or regular inner class. Okay. Okay. Na? And the most important thing is you cannot declare any static content in static method inside the inner class. Okay. Right. The most important thing is okay, guys. This is the first. That's why I'm writing the main method outside. And from here, okay, you need to call. Okay, suppose you need if there is some instance method over here, from the main method you need to call. Okay, let us see how that works. Okay, na? Guys. Okay, right? Okay. Suppose if there is a method, okay, void fun. Dot. Guys, what is my answer now?
hello world.
Yeah, hello world, because you are not triggering this fun method. Okay. Let us try this code. Okay. Now inner obj equal to new inner obj dot fun. Let's see if it work or not. Yeah. So basically, if you see here, non-static variable, this cannot be referenced from static context, right? So what we do to avoid this, we'll have a static. See, this is a static area, right? Let's create a non-static area. Okay. Void. Okay. Void test method. Okay. So see guys, so inside the inner class object, you cannot create from a static context also. Okay. So for this, what you should do? Okay. From here you call this method. Okay, your own test method. Okay, now. Guys, are you following? Hello? So
Yes.
what I mean to say, you call the test method. From here, you call the fun method. Okay, that will work. Okay, see, test and from test to fun. Okay, so what you do, you can happily create a inner class object over here, which is a non-static area. Inner, okay, and just write obj dot fun. Okay, if you want, I can paste this code over the notepad and I can explain again. Okay. Sorry, yeah. So here you should create instead of obj. See, obj is not declared, right? You should create an object for, yeah. You should create an object for the main class. Okay, am I correct, guys? So, guys, are you following? Jayshri. See, this
Yeah.
is some chain. Okay, guys. From here we are calling the test method. From test method we are calling the inner class method. Okay. So if you guys want, this is the regular inner class. Okay. Am I correct, guys? What you call normal or regular inner class? Okay. Just a minute. Yeah, so this is nothing but accessing inner class code from instance method. Ante kada guys. So the overall thing what we did is accessing inner class code from instance area. Am I correct, guys? Which is nothing but see, this is a non-static area, right? Non-static area means instance, right, guys?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. So this is one case, right? Accessing inner class code from instance area. Now the case two is okay. Accessing inner class code from outside of the outer class. And here even మనం ఇక్కడ outer class నుంచి we have called, right? అంతే కదా, outer class నుంచి there is a main method which is in the outer class. From the outer class we have called the instance method, and from instance method we have triggered the inner class method. Am I correct? But what if my main method is not part of this outer class also? Okay, Suman, is that clear?
Yeah.
Accessing inner class code from outside of the outer class. Okay, let us try that. Okay, ఎట్లా అనేది మనం చూద్దాం. Okay, సపోర్ట్ చేస్తారా? Let us see that. See, we'll write that. See, we'll remove everything and the bigger them. Okay, scrap anta. See, class outer Guys, is that clear? So here directly you can call, right? Guys, చెప్పండి ఇప్పుడు ఎలా how you will call now? There is a main method. There is a something void add method. Okay. How to call this method? Guys, can you guess now? Yes. Can you tell me how to call that method?
Outer obj equal to no.
Okay. Outer obj equal to okay. Outer obj equal to new outer. Okay. Then so can if you call obj dot
Add.
add will it work? Are you
No,
sure?
no.
No, definitely no.
Yes, yeah.
చెప్పండి guys. See obj dot you create an object for new inner also. Okay, like that. Is it clear, guys? Okay, na? That's it. Just execute the code. Okay, so this is accessing. Okay, accessing inner class code from outside of the outer class. Am I correct? Accessing inner class code from outside of the outer class. Earlier, accessing inner class code from inside the outer class from instance area. You can write from inside outer class plus bracket లో ఇన్స్టెన్స్ ఏరియా అని పెట్టుకోవచ్చు. ఇక్కడ బయట నుంచి we're trying to access. Okay, here we're trying to access from outside, right? So that is the thing అన్నట్టు. Okay, guys, that is the case 2. Okay, okay, right? Yeah. Now. Here we'll do small. We'll add small variables. Okay, x equal to some 20, right? We have a static variable, static int y equal to some 30, right? Now my question is, can I access those two non-static and static variables from inner class? Will we get output or will get any error kind of thing?
Error kind of.
No. 1 minute. Yeah, we'll get the clear output, guys. We won't get any error. Okay, so from inside inner, the conclusion is from inside inner class, you can have an access for both static and non-static variables. Okay. Okay, na?
Okay.
Okay, like that. Okay. So let me draw some conclusions over there. Guys, are you following Sumant Jayashree?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So the conclusion here is for the model 2, for model 2 we have added some more code. So the conclusion what we can do from inner class, we can access all members of outer class. Am I correct? Including both static and non-static. Guys, you need to play with static and non-static. Okay, here that is the main agenda of the inner classes. Okay, okay. Okay, guys, this is one conclusion. And what is our other conclusion? If if you remember in the beginning of the class, I told. Guys, what is other conclusion? Huh? Chaptara, what is other conclusion?
Cannot access static.
No, we cannot declare static.
Static.
Okay, you cannot declare static methods or static variables inside the inner class. Okay, that's what I told. If you remember, right? You cannot declare static methods or static variables inside. That is other conclusion. And what is other conclusion? Okay, so in the main, okay, which is a static method, right? So in the static method, we cannot create an instance for inner class. Okay. Main, we cannot create an instance of inner class, right? That is the one thing which we see, right? Yes, these inner classes are very, very important, guys. Okay, in the project level, okay, not interview point, but in project level, they are very important. Okay. Okay. Now, hmm. Yes, now tell me what is my value of x here?
$200.
X, because the only concept is local given higher preference. Okay. Okay. Now, guys, now Sumant,
2000.
exactly. Local will be given again a higher preference, right? But if I want to print the outside value 200, what should I do? That's a very simple thing.
Using this keyword.
Exactly. This dot x. Okay, right? Suppose if I want to access this x inside this, anything, any idea what to do then at that time? See 230 and I am in add. Otherwise, so I am by using this keyword, I am trying to access this variable. Okay, but I want to print 20. Then what is the approach? My approach. What should be my approach now? Just write outer dot. Okay.
No, that not.
Yeah, outer dot this dot x. Okay. Like that. Okay. This is the sequence, guys. Okay.
No.
We'll move to the next type. Okay.
Yeah.
Method local inner class. Hmm. Guys, any idea? Guys, by the name itself, you can guess. Sumant, any idea? Jayshri, are you there, Jayshri? You're not asking anything. Hello?
Yeah.
What is method local inner class? Suppose if you declare inner class inside the method, then it is called method local inner class. What is that? If we declare a method inside the inside the sorry, if you declare a inner class, okay, if you declare a inner class inside the method, then that is called method local inner class. Am I correct? Okay. The main objective of this thing is main objective of this type is we can declare method specific code. Okay. ಅದೇ ನಮ್ಮ ವಿಷಯ. Okay. Sumant, is that clear?
Yes.
Let's write the code. So the public void test, right? That is some method test, right? So what I told, you should write the class inside the method, right? That's another question. Like this, you should write. So till now we haven't written in any inner class inside a method, right? Right? We are just writing outside of the main method, but here we are writing inside this method. Okay. Now, add. Okay. చెప్తారా? Now my question is how to trigger this method. ఇప్పుడు చెప్పండి guys. Definitely. Hello? Yes, this is చెప్పు. Yes, one minute. ఇది సాటర్డే కదా క్లాస్? అంటే సాటర్డే కదా? యా సాటర్డే మీది ఏ కాలేజ్? జీవికి రైట్? యా నో క్లాస్. జస్ట్ ఒక ప్లగ్ ఇన్ పెడతాను ఛార్జింగ్. Oh.